When you sell something, we calculate tax for each line item. To calculate the tax accurately, you need to tell us what tax code to apply to the item. Our tax code search tool can suggest tax codes, but it's up to you to select the right one for each product and service you sell. In this example, you sell a video game that customers can buy as an electronic download or as a CD. You need to find tax codes for each version. Then, when you sell the game, we'll know what tax rate to use to calculate the tax. The best way to search is to begin with a broad category, then drill down to specific tax codes. Let's begin with the Information Technology category. Next, use the filters to narrow down your search results. You're down to 18 possible tax codes, and they're all in one recommended grouping. View the grouping. And use the interactive session to drill down to some tax code options. Your software is canned or pre-written. You're selling the software, not a renewal. You're selling it from your business to individual customers. Here's a tax code option if customers download the game, and here's a different option if they buy it on a CD. If your customers buy the game on CD, you offer to ship it to them for an extra charge. You'll need tax codes for the shipping and handling charges. You may want to combine the charges or separate handling and shipping. Let's find tax codes for both situations. That way, we'll know what tax rate to use to calculate the tax for either situation. Start with the freight category and try the shipping and handling filter. View the grouping and use the interactive session to drill down to some tax code options. To combine the charge of shipping and handling, here's the tax code option. If you choose to separate the costs, here's one for handling. To get one for shipping, let's go back to the charge options. Select Freight Services Separate Charges. The customer isn't organizing the shipping. It's not being shipped to Canada. You'll bill them the reasonable cost you paid for shipping the CD to them. You're using a common carrier like UPS, and the customer isn't paying the carrier directly. Here's the tax code option for shipping. Let's review the tax codes you found using our search tool. Purchasing an electronic download. Purchasing a CD. The combination of shipping and handling charges. The separate handling charge and the separate charge for shipping. Using these tax codes, you can see the tax calculated for each line item. Remember, our tax code search tool gives you tax code options, but it's up to you to select the right tax codes for your business. Before you make decisions about your item's tax codes, you can check a taxability matrix. It will tell you if the tax codes are taxable or exempt in the jurisdictions where you do business. To learn more, watch our troubleshooting video on the taxability matrix.